In the Philippines, we eat rice daily. Rice sa umaga, rice sa hapon, at rice sa gabi. Rice pa more. And for midnight snack, we have kakanin or the sticky rice, we have pap rice, we have suman, we have palitaw, and other snacks made from rice. Also in the far north of the Philippines and the Cordillera, we have rice wine, where you get a bad headache when you drink too much. So here in the Philippines, rice is waving everywhere. And most people here in the Philippines enjoys rice. But not everyone enjoys cooking.
Saka nagkakamali, iho. Magaling ako magluto ng pansit.
And the finale after the eating is what makes Kuya, Ate, Bunso very annoyed because they hate washing the dishes. In some cases, they are the descendant of one tamad, and they are the one that is masipag kumain, tamad magluto, at ayaw pang maghugas ng pinggan. How our ancestors prepared to cook quality rice has been passed from generation to generation. That today's generation, the millennials, there are less people using their finger to measure the quantity of rice and the amount of water when cooking. And that's because the millennials using rice cooker when cooking. And the traditional way of cooking the rice, like in the old days, is failing. Because we eat rice daily, some restaurants offer unlimited rice. Other people will order unlimited rice with just one piece of chicken thigh. In 2017, Senator Villar, who is the chair of the Senate Committee on Agriculture and Food, called on establishments to stop from offering unlimited rice. Many Filipinos were unhappy and was angry. But later, Senator Villar in a statement said she has no plan to make a law banning only rice, and people were relieved. That's it, Pansit. Thanks for today. But let me just remind you that every 5 seconds a child dies of malnutrition and hunger. Please don't waste your food.